thoughts today?
Huh?
Your thoughts on today?
Uh, it was like game one. It's still a classic game. Right? Classic game. Hats off to Letran and to all their fans, especially to their coaching staff. Diba? Doesn't get any better than this, diba? Ang ano dito, for me personally, ang pinakamasaya dito is the fans from both schools. Diba? And also those who are sportsmen out there, sportswomen, because diba, they are treated to a magnificent series right now.
Coach defense on the fourth quarter, think you limited the front just 8 goals. Talk about the defense in the fourth.
Well, it's just a matter of saying, kasi we said it has to start from each person. Each person. Now you have to embrace your responsibility. Do not allow your to get beat. So that's how we started out. So I hope we maintain it coming on Thursday.
Coach, I know it's a collective effort again from the team, but can you talk about these two guys besides you? Kasi every time na dumidikit yung Letran, they come up with the big shots.
Okay, I'm lost for words for these two young men, especially JB Mocon, who's only in sophomore year. And what else can I say to Basera, man? He has done it since time immemorial, since high school. This kid is a winner. So it's not because of me, it's because of them. It's their attitude in preparing and playing the game right.
Coach, we know you as a run and gun team, like you score 90 points now. Did you abandon that style?
No, no, the opportunity was just not there. Okay, the opportunity was not there. It's still not there. So we still threw the ball away a lot of times. So we threw the ball away 32. That's not a good sign, diba? But again, I credit everything to the Tron. Diba? They make us make turnovers. So again, we just need to take care of the ball.
So,
Can I go?
What about your start? When they start, what basically happened?
Well, kasi alam naman namin there's no tomorrow. Diba? So advantage goes to Letran coming into game 2. So we just wanted to start well and dictate the tempo of the game.
Coach, you have basically less than 48 hours before game 3. What would be your preparations like tomorrow and maybe on game day?
Well, kasi ako, every basketball player should experience a rubber match. Diba? Every basketball player should experience a rubber match. Kasi it doesn't get better than this. Diba? Rubber matches like these are historic. If you lose, you win. You're part of history right now. This is very historic. These are maaalala ka eh. Diba? Kahit natalo ka, maalala ka because you were part of something really big. And I'm just happy I'm part of it. Sanbed is part of it, and Letran is part of it. I know both teams will, both schools, because of their tradition, will come in fighting and win.
coach, what do you expect from Letran?
I haven't taken up yung mind reading right now. So ang ano ko ngayon is what we're gonna do. I cannot, we will prepare. We will prepare for Letran. And I'm sure they will do the same thing.
What do you expect in game 3 in general, not just the run?
It's gonna be one hell of a game. It's gonna be one hell of a game. People will be from start to finish. It's gonna be a classic one.
Coach, who wants it more na ba yan? Who wants it more?
Of course, di ba? Di ba? Ganun lang yan. Ganun lang yan. I don't, you know me, you won't get anything from me na yabang. I pick my words eh. Diba? I really pick my words eh. Mukha lang akong mayabang, but I'm very humble. I'm very humble. But, diba? Hindi ako marunong magyabang, tol. Galing na ako sa ganun. Diba? It's just a matter of giving it to the boys. Diba? Giving it to your school. Giving it to the fans.
Coach, Art played a good first half. Your response game.
Well, Art de la Cruz, you can never put down an Art de la Cruz. Diba? So, he was just struggling ng mga ibang games, but, diba? He is He is the complete package. Can I go now? Can I go? Thanks, everybody. You have a nice one. Stay out of trouble, everybody. If you can't stay out of trouble, try to behave.
Sir, parang first time mo putting down 0-1 in collegiate na anong mentality mo nito?
Sabi mo lang na
Considering na this is just your second year, first time your thoughts on your
siguro yung opportunity nandun eh. And ito sa akin. Tiwala lang sa akin na 20.
JV, ano sasabi mo kay Baser?
Baser Amer. Kaibigan ko talaga yan si Baser. Para sa kanya itong championship na ito, kaya kukunin talaga namin.
ano ba kayo sa juniors?
At kung dalawang taong kayo naglaro sa juniors mo, basta ano, tingin mo game 3?
Yun nga, kailangan mamayang gabi, kailangan sila namin mapanood maglaban namin para bukas na practice ito lang yung mga adjust.
Even nung high school ba, nakaranas ka ba ng kunwari ganitong sitwasyon na game 3? At kung,
Kasi
pero,
actually, walang pagmayabang pero ang lakas namin nung high school eh. Yung Arvin Tolentino, Andre Caraco, Freddy
pero
Putato.
may tulad niyan, game 3 na, so wala ka pa experience. So, gaano kalaki tong game 2 na performance mo para at least makarry over mo sa game 3?
Siguro yung carry over ko sa game to is yung confidence. And sa mindset, it's all about the mindset. Kasi it's a basketball game, it's the same basketball game.
Enter this game, anong mindset sinabi sa mga coach for this game?
Sabi niya, our walls are against the, our back is against the wall. So,
Yun ang sinabi niya sa
ayun, siguro enough motivation yun kasi we don't want to lose.
Sir, this is the second time na magiging kayo against Lupin. What's different this time around?
Third time.
Yeah, as in second time na mag-game 3.
third time.
11 ba na game 3? 11? 11 or 13?
13.